Hi, I'm Tim Tam, an OCI Principal Product Manager. This is an introduction into organizations. OCI Organizations helps customers securely scale their OCI environment. Using orgs, you can add tenancies, apply governance, and centrally manage costs across your org. Within an organization, the parent tenancy is able to extend their org by adding tenancies and managing subscriptions. They can also centrally manage costs and governance across tenancies. A child tenancy is a separate partition where customers usually host workloads. Child tenancies can consume from subscriptions within the organization for better utilization of credits. Organization is helpful for customers who need to build a multi-tenancy architecture and centrally manage costs and governance. As a parent, you can set certain governance services on tenancies within your org. We call this service governance rules, which is a service within organizations. For example, you can limit the services a tenancy can use, or set an allowable list of regions which a tenancy can subscribe. You can also share tags or set tag defaults to ensure consistent and comprehensive tagging. Let's put this into action on the console. Okay, let's say I need to give my development manager a tenancy to test a new service. In other words, I want to create an isolated environment where it won't impact my other workloads. However, I need to enforce certain boundaries so that it's compliant with security and budgetary restrictions. Here, I'm logged in as the parent tenancy. I can create a tenancy with these specific enforcements. Any tenancy I create will utilize a subscription within my org, like a universal credits model subscription. This is all done using self-service capabilities, so I won't need to contact anyone at OCI to support me. Under tenancies, I can create a new tenancy by providing it some basic information. On the next screen, I can set certain governance rules so that the tenancy complies with my restrictions. If I apply governance rules to this tenancy, users within the child tenancy, including the child tenancy admin, will not be able to remove the governance resource created from the rule. Only the parent tenancy is able to remove or modify the governance resource. In this scenario, I want to set a service quota, an allowable region list, and share with it my organization's tags. After the tenancy is created, I can also use budgets to set an alert so that I can proactively monitor its costs. Over time, as the tenancy generates usage, I as the org admin can centrally view cost and usage for this tenancy. Using cost management tools like cost analysis, I can report on the spend of this tenancy. Okay, we just used OCI Organizations to securely scale our multi-tenancy environment and learned how to use tools like cost analysis, governance rules, and budgets to enforce cost and management governance. Thanks.